this is going to be setting up your work area. Right, first off, go to ifitstuff.com. If you're signed in, go to the dashboard. Along the dashboard here, you will be managing any businesses that you're set up to manage through the installation portal will be here. These are the tabs in purple relating to you as an installation business, and that's what we're going to start with. First off, as an installation business, let's set up the work that you want, the work that you're interested in being notified about. So this is where you would set up on the map an area, add an area, clicking the green button here. This area is going to be called My Work Area for All Products. I'm going to leave the categories all, so I'm going to be looking to get notifications of all jobs listed, but this could be filtered down just to specific category jobs. And then I can select a color for this area. I'm going to select this as my yellow area and click save. Now this is the map, this is the area that I'll be getting notifications about, and this is where you just drop this to the area you actually want. So using these polygons here, using the map, I'm going to set this up as a general like southeast area covering just about up around to London as well, because we might not go there for all jobs, but we are interested in some jobs out that far. You can drag this, select the area however you want it. Keep going, yeah, pretty much like that. Just including that M4 corridor. And go up to the top, or just around the top of the M25, just out there on towards Essex. And I guess as well we could include notifications throughout Kent. Basically like that. So that's me set up my work area. I'm going to click save on that. There are more complicated things that you can do with it, but that's basically it. Set up your work area, that's me set up, so notifications, if someone lists a new job that's within that area, regardless of the category, I'm going to get an email about it, and then I can decide whether or not I want the job. Thanks for watching this video, look forward to the next one. Please get your work areas set up, and let me know if you've got any questions.